Hello guys, so today we will show you how to replace engine for the PTX replica. Simple guide how to do it by yourself. So what you need is Allen key, 3mm. Let's start from taking off the slide. Alright, next step is to unscrew these two screws on the back with this 3mm Allen screw. Alright, this is the back. Remove the QD fitting. And now let's remove the engine from the front. You can leave your airline in the frame, so simply just unscrew the whole engine from the airline. Put your old engine on the side, and now let's screw the airline. Make sure that it's tight fit. And after this, let's just put the whole engine into the frame. Remove your sticker with the pin. So the next step will be simply just put this sticker on the upper side of the frame. Alright, so let's zoom in. Make sure that you won't pinch any cable here, just like that. Also make sure that you won't pinch the cable inside on the bottom of the engine. More specific, those two cables. And after that, the best way to fit all parts together is to put the back side of the frame. Do not screw these screws all the way down, so leave some space with them, just like that. And after this, just put the upper frame, and now you can tight fit all together, and after that simply screw the screws all the way down. Make sure that they are properly screwed all the way down. And the last step is to put pin back together with the whole frame. That's it.
Voila.